know about the Vastu consultant and palmist Prachi Fulfagar. Why to join Prachi Fulfagar's offline magical Vastu Shastra course? Prachi Fulfagar expertise and achievements in Vastu Shastra, Palmistry and medical astrology. She appears to have made a significant impact in this field, helping individuals and businesses to resolve complex issues related to health, finances, and mental well being. Her accolades, such as Youngest Successful Vastu Consultant Award in Indore in 2016 and the Vastu Brihaspati Award, Medical Astrological Award, and such four awards awarded in Thailand in the year 2022, highlights her performances and contribution to the industry. She has been serving more than 10,000 people in this 10 years. Her experience and her expertise in Vastu and palmistry is astonishing. Come and